A three-jaw gear puller is a mechanical tool designed for removing gears, pulleys, and other tightly fitting components from shafts or axles. It typically consists of three adjustable jaws arranged in a triangular configuration, allowing the tool to grip and apply force evenly around the circumference of the gear or object being pulled. The jaws are threaded and can be adjusted to match the size of the object, providing a secure and balanced grip for effective extraction. The central screw or spindle is turned to tighten the jaws around the object, and as the screw is further tightened, the gear puller exerts a pulling force, facilitating the removal of the target component. This tool is commonly used in automotive, machinery maintenance, and other mechanical applications where the disassembly of tightly fitted parts is necessary. 1. Made from carbon steel number 45. 2. Heat treatment and zinc plated. 3. Pulling force, 2700 N, 40,000 N, 5500 N, 65,000 N. 4. Weight, 1.28 kilograms, 2 kilograms, 3.3 kilograms, 4.55 kilograms. 5. Packed by Brown Box.